What's up everyone, my name is Alexi, I'm the creator of Hooey Doodles, and today I'm going to be showing you some tips and tricks about using color, the color wheel, harmony, all that within ProCreate. So let's go ahead and get started. So I have this piece here and I have this outline here that I want to fill in with two shades of blue. So I have this kind of royal blue here and I'm going to drop it in, and then I'm going to go to this baby blue and go and drop it here. And then I'm going to go to this royal blue and drop that here. There's a much faster way to go between these two colors. If you just go ahead and hold, it's going to go to the baby blue. Hold, dark blue. Hold, baby blue. So just by holding this color dot right here, it's going to switch between these last two in your color history. Another way to drag and drop colors is with palettes. You have your palettes here and you can select more on the bottom right here. There's plenty to download on the internet. But let's say I want this purple here. If you just tap that purple and drag and drop, you can do that. But you can also just drag from the palette into the shape. Let's say that I want to select my own color with the color wheel here. They call it the color disc. You can go ahead and choose whatever color you want. And to be more accurate within this color wheel right here, you can just pinch it open and select your color just like this. In order to get it back down, just pinch it closed. Another great way to choose colors is we're going to take this royal blue that we have here and we're going to go to this middle selection called Harmony. Complementary is going to be your default selection, so it's just going to choose a complementary color, which is just on the other side of the color wheel from you. You can tap complementary and you can do split complementary, analogous, triadic, or tetradic. Let's say on this tetradic color wheel that I have here, I want this pink. All I have to do is just click that pink and it comes up to my color disc. I can go ahead and choose the green or the orange. With this slider right here, you can darken and lighten the color wheel as well. So that's it. That's using colors within ProCreate. Pretty easy. Anyway, YouTube thinks that you're going to like this video right here, so check it out. And until next time, I'll see you next time.